Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today we are going to discuss about a practical which shows that air exerts pressure. Okay, air exerts pressure. So for this purpose we have taken one empty plastic bottle, one empty bowl, one cold water containing bowl and one hot water containing bowl. Now we have to pour the hot water okay. Now in this situation, in this portion inside the bottle, what air is present, that air with the help of this hot water is now getting heated. Okay, so means this air within a very few seconds, this air will convert into hot and expanded air. Now when we will place the cold water over this bottle, that time we will see the wall of the bottle is going to be crushed. Why? Because in this portion what air is present, now it is air and with that some steam is also present. So when we will place the cold water, then that steam will be condensed and it will convert into small water droplet. And the same time that hot and expanded air will also compressed when it will come in contact with the cold water. So when it will be condensed and compressed, that time one vacuum will be created inside this bottle. So to fill this vacuum, the outer atmospheric pressure will give a pressure on the wall of the bottle. Now actually the pressure inside the wall, inside this bottle is little higher than the outside atmospheric pressure. But when we will place this cold water after condensation and compressed of the hot and expanded air, the outer atmospheric pressure will be higher than inner atmospheric pressure of this bottle. So let's do this activity. Now we can see little wet. Now you can see the condition of the bottle. Okay, the wall of the bottle has been crushed inside. You can see, if you wait for more 1 minute or 30 seconds, then it will be more crushed. Okay, so thank you.